2nd November 2025, a date that will forever be etched in Indian cricket history. Under the inspiring leadership of Harmanpreet Kaur, India lifted their first ever ICC Women's World Cup title, ending a 52-year wait for the coveted trophy. What made the victory even sweeter was that it came on home soil at Navi Mumbai's D.Y. Patil Stadium. The atmosphere was electric, with chants of India, India, echoing through the stands as thousands of fans witnessed history being made. In a fiercely fought final against South Africa, Shafali Verma and Deepti Sharma emerged as the heroes of the night. Both delivered exceptional all-round performances, guiding India to a commanding 52-run win. It was a moment generations of players and fans had dreamed of, and it finally came true. As soon as India clinched the title, Bollywood celebrities and fans flooded social media with messages of love, pride, and admiration for the team. Priyanka Chopra wrote, "Congratulations to our champions Team India." Anushka Sharma expressed her joy, saying, "You champions! Such a momentous achievement." Hrithik Roshan added, "Jeet gaye. Historic. Congratulations Team India on our first Women's Cricket World Cup win. To the beginning of many more. All my love and respect." Abhishek Bachchan celebrated the win enthusiastically, posting, "Come on India World Champions. Well done ladies." Sunil Shetty shared a heartfelt message, "Sweat, spirit, grit, sheer heart. And that's how history got a glow up. Our women in blue didn't chase glory, they owned it. For every little girl with a dream, say it loud, we are world champions." Ajay Devgan praised the team's courage, writing, "A night we'll never forget. Thank you, champions. This team has shown the world what true grit and belief can do." Content creator Elvish Yadav also joined in the celebration. "Congratulations to the entire Indian women's cricket team. You are inspirations for the next generation of girls across India." Tripti Dimri kept it short and powerful. "They did it. The women showed how it's done." Arjun Kapoor wrote, "Inspirational. Take a bow Team India." Varun Dhawan expressed his pride, saying, "Proud Indian, proud cricket fan. Our heroes." Director S.S. Rajamouli lauded the players, tweeting, "Champions of the world." Deepti's all-round brilliance and Shafali's explosive batting lit the path to glory. Kiara Advani shared, "What an incredible moment. You have created history. Congratulations to our women in blue. The women in blue have done it. They've brought the World Cup home." Celebrations erupted across the nation as India proudly embraced a new era in women's cricket. Actress Shraddha Kapoor beautifully summed up the emotion of the moment. For decades, सिर्फ parents से सुनते the what 1983 felt like. हमें हमारा ये वाला मोमेंट डीन के लिए थैंक यू गर्ल्स. दिस इज फॉर जनरेशंस. Just days after scripting history with India's first ever ICC Women's World Cup victory at Mumbai's D.Y. Patil Stadium, Vice Captain Smriti Mandhana is ready to begin a brand new chapter, this time off the field. If reports are to be believed, the star batter is all set to tie the knot with music composer and director Palash Muchal in November 2025. Smriti's boyfriend, Palash Muchal, couldn't contain his excitement when India's women's team made history by clinching their first ICC Women's World Cup title. Taking to Instagram, he shared a photo featuring Smriti and the trophy, writing, "On-screen text, सबसे आगे है हम हिंदुस्तानी." According to the latest reports, Smriti and Palash are expected to get married on 20th November 2025 in Smriti's hometown Sangli, Maharashtra. The event is expected to bring together the worlds of cricket and music, with both families reportedly preparing for an intimate yet grand celebration. Smriti, who was born in Mumbai and raised in Sangli, has always credited her hometown for shaping her cricketing journey. Sources reveal that the celebrations will include close friends, teammates, and key figures from both industries. Smriti and Palash's love story has always melted hearts online. The two reportedly began dating in 2019 and made their relationship public in July 2024 with a heartwarming Instagram post celebrating their 5th anniversary. Palash had once joked that Smriti would soon be the daughter-in-law of Indore. Since then, the couple has maintained a low profile, occasionally sharing sweet glimpses of their bond. From conquering the cricket field to stepping into a new innings of love, Smriti Mandhana's journey continues to inspire, both on and off the pitch. Bollywood's King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, turned 60 on 2nd November, and as expected, his birthday was nothing short of a grand celebration. The superstar, who has ruled the industry for decades with over 100 films and countless blockbusters, continues to win hearts not just with his acting, but with his humble and down-to-earth nature.
घर में बड़े थे, उन्होंने एक बार बात बताई थी कि जब भी दुख हो तो उनके पास जाओ जो तुम्हें प्रेम देते हैं। एंड मेरी बहुत अच्छी किस्मत है कि मेरे पास लाखों, करोड़ों, मिलियंस, बिलियंस लोग ऐसे हैं जो मुझे प्रेम देते हैं। तो जब मुझे दुख होता है तो मैं अपनी बैल्कनी पे आ जाता हूँ। जब मुझे सुख होता है मैं अपनी बैल्कनी पे आ जाता हूँ। कमाल की बात यह है कि मुझे गॉड ने इतना सराहा है कि मुझे उसने हमेशा के लिए बैल्कनी का टिकट दिया हुआ है।
From being a simple boy from a middle-class family to becoming one of the richest and most loved actors in the world, SRK's journey is the perfect story of dreams, hard work, and passion. As the star turned 60, thousands of fans lined up outside his home, Mannat, hoping to catch a glimpse of their favorite hero. Unfortunately, SRK couldn't step out this year, but did he disappoint them? Absolutely not. After attending a special fan meet event in Mumbai, Shah Rukh stepped out to wave at the sea of fans waiting just for him. Dressed casually in jeans, a black tee, and a white jacket, he greeted them all with immense gratitude. Known for his annual meet and greet at Mannat, the actor opted for a private event this time, where he directly interacted with fans. He later shared the video on Instagram, writing, "Thank you for making my birthday special as always. Full of gratitude, and those of you I couldn't meet, I will see you soon, in the theatres and on the next birthday. Love you." Fans had been waiting for hours for their annual jhalak of SRK, and as always, the King of Hearts didn't disappoint. SRK even apologized to fans for cancelling his traditional wave from Mannat, saying, "Have been advised by authorities that I will not be able to step out and greet all you lovely people who have been waiting for me." Even when he couldn't meet them all, his love for his fans shone brighter than ever. Because that's what makes Shah Rukh Khan the King of Hearts. Here's to 60 years of the Badshah and many more to come.
सर कैसे?
Just 2 days after concerns around Dharmendra's health sent fans into a panic, a wave of relief has finally arrived straight from his family.
सर कैसे हैं?
Reports had earlier claimed that the legendary actor was rushed to Mumbai's Breach Candy Hospital after experiencing breathlessness, sparking widespread worry among his fans across the country. But now, there's good news. Dharmendra's second wife and veteran actress Hema Malini has shared a reassuring update.
सर कैसे हैं?
Looking graceful as ever, Hema Malini greeted the photographers with her signature warm smile. When asked about Dharmendra's health, she reacted with a simple "okay" gesture, subtly confirming that the 88-year-old actor is recovering well and doing fine.
आप कैसे हैं? सर कैसे हैं?
Fans can finally breathe easy knowing their beloved Dharamji is on the mend. Reports confirm that he is doing fine and there's nothing to worry about. Earlier this year, the actor had also undergone an eye graft surgery, which went smoothly. Despite occasional health concerns, the evergreen star continues to remain active and passionate about his work. The veteran actor, who turns 90 on 8th December, is all set to return to the big screen with the upcoming biographical war drama, 21. The film stars Agastya Nanda, Amitabh Bachchan's grandson, alongside Dharmendra and Jaideep Ahlawat. Directed by Sriram Raghavan and produced by Madak Films, 21 is slated for a December theatrical release and has already created strong buzz among audiences. As Dharamji gears up to celebrate his 90th birthday and a new film release, fans everywhere are sending him love, strength, and warm wishes for a speedy recovery.
हेलो मैम, आप कैसे हैं? सर कैसे हैं?